Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ram 1500, powered by a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. It does come with mud flaps down below, which is always a nice accessory, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, we have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath, as well as having two cup holders in the middle here and some deep storage bins on either side under the floor mat. This truck does have a remote keyless entry, as well as having power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting with the vehicle running, looking at the odometer, it is sitting at 161,177 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your fuel economy. You have your trip A and B information you can look at, messages such as warnings, I believe, screen setup in general, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And of course a digital speedometer, which is always nice. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera in the rear view mirror, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. But then moving down from that, you have your hazards and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. You have your traction control shut off and your tow haul mode there. And then moving to the left, where you have your 4x4 controls, and on the right you have a little cubby there. Moving down, you have a 12-volt power outlet here and a USB over here, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio, I believe. And then you have this compartment, which pulls out to give you some nice storage there. And moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. But then to your center console area, where you have three cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which has two USBs and auxiliary inside, so you can plug in your audio or plug something into power or charge. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then you even have some little cubbies down there too, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.